welcome. It has been a wonderful journey sharing knowledge with you. I am Dr. Maharajan here. So we have been discussing about AI for logistics and supply chain. So we are in the unit 1, AI for logistics. What we have studied so far? So we have studied how artificial intelligence and machine learning are transforming our life. They are transforming our life in everywhere, be it banking, be it insurance, be it anywhere, the way we communicate. But here our focus is on how the changes, how this disruptive technology is bringing our experience about logistics and supply chain. Fine. Now, just the topic for the day, like we have here. See, look at the pictures and brief descriptions. Warehouse optimization, route optimization, risk mitigation. Mitigation means reducing the risk. If you are able to eliminate it, fine. Otherwise, reduce the risk. That's the idea. I hope you guess the topic. Okay, like we are introducing into data science concepts. Data science for logistic operations. See, data science, there are steps in analyzing and collecting and analyzing data. First, we have to collect the data. See, it is not like we collect some garbage. We have to collect proper data, relevant data. We have to find the sources first, including Internet of Things, sensors, enterprise, resource planning, and external data sets. We have to collect the proper data. See, it is very easy to say, but it's one of the most difficult part to collect data. Some data we can generate our own, some data will even cost us money. We have to pay huge amounts to get the data. You know. Then we need to pre-process. See, before processing the data, something we pre-process. We have to clean the data. Clean the data in the sense, we have to check whether data is complete. Very first thing, okay, it's complete and it's relevant. So we need to clean the unnecessary things which we do not want, unnecessary fields which we do not want. We need to check the accuracy and the completeness. Then we have to transform the data in a way which is useful to us for processing. The data may not be in a form which can be directly we can apply it for analysis. So we have to transform it. Then sometimes row into columns, column into rows. We can even sometimes the responses into numeric, text to numeric. We have to transform many things we need to do and structure the data to prepare so that it's ready for analysis. Then we will go for analysis. We will do predictive modeling to find out what is going to be next. Okay. See, what we do here that may not be 100% correct, but we are trying to reduce the uncertainty. That's the point we should understand. So developing the model so that optimize the process, and sometimes we uncover hidden information also, which we hidden insight which we are not expected also. That also happens very interestingly. Okay, then we go for visualization. We make charts. Okay, bar chart, pie charts. We make dashboards, and we report it in a easy to understandable manner. Okay, then we we have seen how it is done for, how data collection pre-processing is done for logistics. Data source we already know for logistics from our transportation, from our customer systems, from our management systems, from our warehouse managements, our GPS systems, and our external stakeholders also. And pre-processing, we have to clean the data, integrate it with, we may be collecting data from different sources, we need to integrate them. We have to make a relational database sometimes and transform data into quality and consistency. We have to fill up missing values, outliers. Outliers means which do not actually normally in the range, outside the range. Sometimes outliers give us intelligent information. We should not just omit or we delete the outliers. We have to actually analyze the outliers also. Then feature engineering. We need to find the predictive power of our models. Uh, Traffic conditions, weather patterns, seasonal things, many things are there. Of course, it is complex, but artificial intelligence is there to make our life easier. Fine. Then we can optimize for demand forecasting, vehicle routing, and load balancing. You know, how to send what, how to properly load our trucks, how to send, use different modes of communication, different modes of transportation, and all these things. Okay, there are many case studies, real world applications, many companies, UPS, DHL, Amazon. These all companies are using uh, the data science for improving their logistic operations, for predictive maintenance, for demand forecasting, supply chain visibility, and operation fulfillment optimization for all these things. Okay. Now test your learning. What are the key steps in the data science workflow for logistics? You can find it out yourself. How the data science techniques are used for optimized transportation routes. Can you provide an example of how a logistic company has applied data science to improve operations? Just remember the previous slide. What are some of the, or bonus question for you? What are some of the challenges in implementing data science in a logistic environment? Try to find the answers. If you are able to answer these questions, it will be a wonderful journey. Okay, and these are the take homes: data-driven optimization, improved forecasting. Okay, ultimately we want competitive advantage, but there are challenges. We will overcome the challenges. Fine. Now these are the references online and books. We can go through them to understand it in a better way. I'm Dr. Maharajan with you, sharing knowledge, this time on data science and logistic operations, artificial intelligence and logistic operations. See you then. Stay with me. Watch more of my videos. Bye.